So hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show the payment proof of Cashkaro application. It is an app you pays for shopping online. You can see I have 210 rupees available. They have so many websites are partnered with this website, guys. You can see if you use any one of the shopping offers or credit card offers, you can utilize that offers into some get extra money. So you can see clearly I purchased some of the products from Amazon. You can purchase any product from the Amazon, so you will receive some of the cashback from this website, guys. Okay, you can see I purchased 383 for rupees something product. I get 19 rupees cashback from this website. So it is also have an app called Cashkaro application. It is also available on the Play Store. You can also purchase. You can also cash out to Amazon Pay balance and a gift card. Okay, I'm entering my mobile number and entering my OTP. Just wait a second. I'm just forwarding this video. I recorded this video on 23rd March, but I don't have any proper time, so I'm adding my voice over to this video, guys. Okay, I'm going to show payment history. I'm opening my Amazon Pay. You can see I have received 210 rupees. Just wait a second. So click on the transactions in the down here. So once click on that, it will show the transaction details. You can see clearly I got paid from this website and application. It is only works in India, so if you are from the outside, does not work. Link is also available in the description, guys. Thank you.